Please stand up.
Stand up. Okay, 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 okay. Let me wait. Okay, one more time, and I will stand up. Okay, I will put here. Okay, stand up. For you, I will just stand up. Okay.
Thank you ያራዳ ልጅ የኔ አባት thank you በጣም oh my god you look good
Okay.
okay. Go
Where?
Hey. Go come yep. Slowly come slow come oh my god አረ መድኃኒዓለም እንዴ ስንቱ ሀበሻ ያለውን ፊት እቺ I follow you.
Okay, I follow you, dear, too. Oh, such
follow
a
me?
lovely boy
You follow
I
me?
meet today. In my life, I haven't met like this lovely, cute boy like him. I'm so happy, guys.
Tell me. You follow me?
Yes, I follow you already.
Baby.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Oh, that's so cute, dear.
My
Such a lovely. Such a lovely boy. Oh my god.
I am a strong boy, you know.
You are strong. Can you
Yes.
lift me? Can you lift me?
Yes.
Oh, I think you cannot lift me because my weight is more. I guess more than yours.
What?
My weight is around 48 or 49. Can you lift me? You are strong? Then can you lift
Yes,
me?
I'm strong. How old are you?
Can you guess my age?
21.
Yes, around that.
Are you serious?
Yes, around that.
You are
And
not.
and weight is 48, 49. Can you lift me? Are you that much strong to lift me? 48 kg. Can you lift me? You said that you are strong now, so that's why I'm saying.
I think.
You think?
Stand up.
Again, I should stand up.
Yes.
Okay, let me wait again. Okay, I said stand up. Oh, so stand up. Okay. Can you lift me on your
Yes.
arm?
I did that.
On your arms? Can you lift me on your own arms?
Yes. I did that. I am strong boy. You know.
I think mine is more than yours. I think it's mine is more than yours. Oh, I cannot stop.
መጀመሪያ እባክሽ ልብስ መውለቅ ተለማመጂ። ማን ደግሞ ቆጣ ሲል ነው እንጂ ጅንበታ ቢቆጣ ሲል ነው የሚያምረው።
But then I have more than I think I have more.
እስኪ አሳይ ብዬሻለሁ። አሳይ እጇን ነው እናንተ ይኸውላችሁ የምትገምቱ ነገር ይኸውልሽ
Oh boy.
እስኪ you know this
Yes. Oh,
yeah.
Ariwa.
ለምን ነው ሶሉሽን የምታስታኪው? No, no.
I'm managing my clothes, you stupid man.
I am not stupid man. You are no that thinking. እኔ በስነ ስርዓት ሽማግሌ ልኬ ነው ላገባሽ የምፈልገው። እንዴ በወግ በደንብ በማድረግ ነው እንጂ።
Why you are so cute, man? Why you are so cute?
Because I am Ethiopian, you know. I am Ethiopian boy.
Oh, Ethiopian boy are so lovely, I guess.
All Ethiopian boys cute.
Oh. Seriously, I'm not joking. You are so cool, man.
በመቤቴ ማለት
You are so cute, so cool, so cute, and you're lovely here. Your smile, by the way, your this eyebrow. Oh God.
Oh my god. ወዳኛለች
Seriously, I want to look you like this hair. I don't want to blink my eye. I don't want to blink my eye.
ወደሽኛል።
I don't want to blink my eye. You are
My
so...
eye color is brown, you know.
Okay,
Look.
okay, okay. Oh, nice, nice.
That's that.
You are so amazing. Seriously, I haven't met the boy like you till now on internet.
በቃ you come እንድንጋባ ምንድን ነው እሱ? ይኸው woman you come from here and I will marry me, you know. I will marry me.
Then how can I come? I don't know how to come there. From where
I have no girlfriend. I'm a single boy.
How
Why?
to come there? How to come there, dear? How to come there? By airplane or by bus?
No. አልመጣም እንደውም I am no come on.
How will I
can't.
come there? How will I come there? By running or by flying? How will I come there? I want to come, but then how will I come there?
I can't do that, but you come from me.
Oh, you are so cute.
No data.
What is your age? Your age.
You come በአውሮፕላን በጀልባም ትምጣ እንዴ?
Your age, Zanu, your age.
What?
Your age, what is your age? Age, your age.
Oh, my age 22.
Oh, 1 year bigger than me.
Oh, you're 21?
Yes. Little come closer, little, please, little come closer.
I'm bigger for you. 21 age. Yeah, are you?
You are so cute. You are so cute. My eyes are not getting away from you. You know, my eyes are not getting away from you. I just want to look like you, like this.
Do you know Ethiopia? Do you know Ethiopia people?
Man, this boy is so cute. Oh God.
Well, እንግዲህ Ethiopia is the best country in the world. Ethiopia is the East African country. Ethiopia is the vibration.
What that mean? What that mean?
እንቅጥቅጥ ማለት vibrate.
Oh, vibrate.
No?
Okay.
Do you know vibrate?
Yes, I know. Vibrate.
That the Ethiopian people is the biggest people in the world. That means the Ethiopians do not colonize in the world. Do not colonize Ethiopia. No?
Okay, Janu.
Not colonize. Ethiopia is a very beautiful and cute boys.
The way you talk, your sound is so amazing. Your voice.
My voice is amazing.
I want to listen to you like this.
I'm Ethiopian boy, you know.
Seriously, why are you so cute, man?
Oh.
Don't be like this cute, okay? Girl will die for you. All girl will die.
This is my mother sound. This is my mother sound.
No, I'm saying, don't be like this much cute, okay? Because all girl will die for you, okay? Don't be like this much cute. Stop being cute, okay?
This is my not sound. This is my not sound. This is my mother sound.
Okay,
my sound is this. My sound is this. You know, my sound is this. That is my mother sound. You know, that's my mother sound. I have a mother.
Okay.
I have a mother.
Listen, dear, listen. I'm saying, don't stay this much cute. Don't stay this much cute because girl will die for you, okay? You are crossing the limit of being cuteness. Cuteness overload, guys. Most cutest boy I have ever met. God.
you say እወድሃለሁ you say እወድሃለሁ that means I love you ግን ጄ የኔና thank you
Love you more. Love you more. I'm
you say
already.
in Amharic እወድሃለሁ in English I love you you say
Oh.
you say that እወድሃለሁ
Say little and I will repeat.
እወድሃለሁ
A
ወ
what
ድ
de
ሀ
ha
ለ
na
ለ ለ
ne
ነ
ne
ለ ለ ለ
la
ለ yeah you are correct who
who.
እወድሃለሁ that says I love you
I love you. I love
Okay.
you more. I love you. Seriously, I love you. I'm not joking. Seriously.
do you have no boyfriend
No boyfriend. I'm searching for someone, but I can't find. But now I'm being so.
ኧረ ዝም በል
Can I say? You are seriously a cute man.
yes ተሳክቶኛል guys okay do you like Shahrukh do you like Shahrukh
Yes, I do like Saruk. You?
I like okay አበላጭ ሚዛን this is me this is Shahrukh your choice
Oh, it's very tough, but then I will choose. Of course, you, I think. Like this. Of course.
me
How can I not choose you? I will
I
choose
can't.
you.
I can't I love you more
More than you love, I
you are
love
my
you.
wife in this day I am finished you are my wife
I love. Seriously, guys, I'm not joking. He is so cute, guys. I'm calling for him. Someone please help me.
I come from I am come of you I come you me come you hurt ያገር አልመጣም ነው ፓኪስታን ምን ላደርግ ነው የምመጣው I
Come
am
fast, okay? Come fast.
you hurt
Say.
you are so beautiful your eyes is very beautiful
No, you are. But I'm waiting here.
አይሞት ኖ ሰዓት አትያዥ ይኸውልሽ ላረፍድ እችላለሁ ኤርፖርት አለ መጉላላት አለ ምን አለ ልዘገይ እችላለሁ ትዬ ቴንኪው አትሳቅ መጉላላት አለ መዘግየት
Come fast. We will go for taking pictures, vlog. We will make amazing vlogs. Pictures of.
ቴንኪው እንደዚህ ቶሎ ጻፉሽ ቶሎ እንግሊዘኛ አይ ካም
Yes.
I can't
Come fast. We will go for travel, okay? Long drive.
please come you here please come
Me coming.
yes
And send me passport or visa, and I will come.
do you have no passport do you,
I do have passport, but no visa. You send me visa.
መድኃኒዓለም ይስጥሽ እንጂ እኔ በምን አቅሜ ቪዛ ሰጥሻለሁ I have no visa
No visa.
ታርዶስ no visa I have no visa
Then how do I come? You come then Nepal.
አያችሁ ግን 500 በፍቅራችን መሀል ቪዛ ጦስ ሲሆን
Then how we will meet? Then how we will meet and how we will talk and how we will.
ሚት ስጋ
Yes, how we will meet.
የሮም ሴቶች ስትባሉ ገና ሳንተዋወቅ ስጋ ትኛለሽ እንደ አንቺ ስጋሽ ይለቅና
I will put glass, okay? I look.
ዝባይ
No glass?
ዝባይ በእናትሽ
Glass, no?
ኖ አይ yes glass no glass
No glass?
Yes.
Should I take this?
remove yes
Okay, remove. Just look at
I watch your beautiful eyes
Okay, just look at my beautiful eyes. You also very
have the screen guys
triplets.
baby
Yes. Oh my god. You too.
oh my
Just
god
do again that. You again. One more
You
time,
kiss me?
yes.
Okay. My and you.
One more time, you do like that, please.
Kissing.
Yes, you do one time, please.
My kiss and you kiss.
Yep. Hello. दिल को लग गया. Oh my God. Janu, love you.
Oh.
That's so tasty. Your kissy was that's so amazing tasty. Hmm.
Baby.
Yes.
Baby.
Oh, मेरे को शर्म आ रहा है. I'm being shy. Oh my goodness. आप
Please.
are you single?
Please. No, I am a double.
What that does mean, guys? I don't understand.
You are single?
Oh, of course, I'm searching for some beautiful, handsome boy like you, cute boy like you.
You are no connection in another boy?
No connection. I'm searching for the connection. By the way,
No connection, madam?
no connection.
Maybe.
Not everything. I'm searching. Let me. I want to look your eyes. Okay, come closer. First, second, I will look. Oh, such a cute boy with that hair, curly hair, amazing.
Are you serious?
Seriously, I'm saying I'm falling for you. You are so cute, by the way.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking, guys. Seriously, you are so cool.
Okay. Please. Kiss more.
Okay, Sam. Okay, I'll just kiss. Okay, you just do like that. Okay, yes.
This.
Okay, come closer.
Azi?
Oh,
This?
okay.
Guys,
Can you do here?
guys. What? Huh?
Oh no, you will be shy. Okay, I'll not say.
Okay. I kiss you.
If you don't feel shy, then you can.
Triplum guys. Guys. I am kiss you.
Okay, you can. If you don't feel shy, then you can. I think you will feel shy.
Please, Simon. We can ask you. T. Thank you, Batam. Thank you.
By the way, you are so cool, yaar. Why this person is so attractive, guys?
Guys. Muy ditante.
I want to look him like this, guys. He is so amazing, guys. Let me focus on him. I will not focus on game. Yeah, after this match, you will go away, and I can find him, guys. So I should look him carefully. I want to see this guy closely like this.
Oh my god. My heart is boom. You like me?
Yes, I'm liking you. You
I like
come
him.
far.
I like you.
Oh, but I like you more, dear.
Okay. You come me. You come. What is it? You come me. I am come you. One more.
And we will. Okay.
No. You come.
No.
Tay. No kiss people. Me. You come and me come. You know?
Oh, okay.